Namaste 12th accountancy students. We have completed up to 5 illustration sums. Now we have to focus on the 7th sum, 7th illustration. Not only 7th, from 6th you have to solve. For that you have to be very clear about those formats. Statement of affairs. See this format in page number 10 in the books of dash, statement of affairs, liabilities, assets. So you have to find this capital left side, no, liability side. That capital will be the balancing figure. And then illustration 6, if you see, by using this format only, you will be able to solve this sum. So what you have to do is, you just I'm not saying memorize, you just understand this statement of office. Already you know very well. In asset side, what are all the items will come? Cash, bank, sundry debtors, bills receivable, stock in trade, prepaid expenses, fixed assets. All those items will come in the asset side. Likewise, in liability side also, creditors. If debtors comes in the asset side, means creditors will come in the liability side. If bills receivable comes in the asset side, means bills payable will come in the liability side. This liability side, outstanding expenses. In asset side, prepaid expenses. Outstanding expenses means the amount we have to pay. Prepaid means we already paid, we have to work them. And bank will come on the asset side. In left side, that means in liability side, bank overdraft will come. So finally we will arrive the capital. Understand? By using that format, you just solve this sum. See this illustration 6. Following are the balances of Shanti as on 31st December 2018. You have to know where it will come, where bills receivable will come, bills payable which side it will come, machinery which side will come. All those things you have to get the conceptual clarity. Then you have to solve this sum. And then this 1.7.5 differences between the statement of affairs and balance sheet, very much important question it is. And then seventh one also, by using the same format only, you have to put wait a minute. Are you there, students? This on 1st April 2017, Ganesh started the business with a capital of 75,000. That means opening capital 75,000. And then see the particulars of the two sides. Actually, that is not two sides. That is not assets and liabilities at all. Just the information: cash, stock of goods, bills receivable, bills payable, everything it will come. See that. During the year, he withdrew 15,000 for his personal use. So 15,000, that is drawing. And then further capital, he introduced 20,000. What you have to do? Add, you have to closing capital, add drawings, less additional capital, and you will arrive adjusted closing capital. And then you have to less the opening capital. Finally, you will get the profit for the year. So this format, why we put? We have to know the capital. So 88,000 capital, that to closing capital. Opening capital they have given in the question itself in the first line. So same only mine 7th sum. So 6th sum, 7th sum already we discussed in the class itself. So you just understand this and solve the sum. 8th sum also. Statement of affairs. 2 statement of affairs are there. Calculation of opening capital. That means you have to take only the opening balances. April 1st balances. In closing capital, 31st March's details you have to take. In question they have given two columns, no? So you have to put this two sums, calculation of opening capital, calculation of closing capital, then statement of profit or loss for the year ending. And then illustration 9, if you see, same only, there is no doubt. In bank balance credit, bank balance credit means that is bank overdraft, already we knew that. And debit means that is the asset only here. So you have to put the two calculations, one for opening capital, another for closing capital, and finally statement of affairs. So up to how many sums are there? 6, 7, 8, 9, still one sum is there. So that ninth sum we will see in the next class. Just I am revising only, I am not teaching everything in this class, because already I have taught. What you have to do is, likewise how you sent in your accounts note itself, no need to take any A4 sheet or any account sheet at all. Take your accounts note and solve the sums. You just see one time, you see fully, and then you see only the questions and solve the sums without seeing the book, okay? And if any doubt comes means, that time you see the book. Say illustration 6, illustration 7, illustration 8, and then illustration 9. All those 4 sums you have to send ma. That is today's work. Thank you, students.